Have you ever wondered why Netflix always seems to know what you want to watch before you even do? Or how Spotify serves up the perfect playlist right when you're about to hit the gym? Spoiler alert, it's not magic. It's AI. Yes, those algorithms you've heard so much about are working overtime to make sure you're hooked, and maybe even a little too hooked, on your favorite shows, songs, and even TikTok dance trends. Today, we're diving into the world of AI in entertainment and how it's basically running the show, literally. Let's be real. Choosing what to watch can feel like the hardest decision of the day. But guess what? AI is out here trying to make that choice a whole lot easier, or more confusing, depending on how you look at it. So, just what is AI doing behind the scenes? First things first. What exactly is AI doing in the entertainment industry? Well, think of AI as your personal entertainment concierge. It's like that super intuitive friend who knows exactly what you like and what you don't. Except it's not a person. It's a bunch of algorithms doing math. And let's be honest, if our friends could predict our binge-watching habits as well as Netflix's AI does, we'd be questioning their motives. So how does it work? AI analyzes tons of data. Your viewing history, your likes, your dislikes, what you skipped after 5 minutes. It's all being recorded. But don't freak out, it's not as creepy as it sounds. Basically, it takes all that information and compares it to millions of other users who have similar tastes. Then bam, out pops your recommendation list, and suddenly you're spending your weekend watching a documentary about the history of sock puppets. You never saw it coming, but Netflix knew. You might still say, yeah, but how does AI predict my next binge watch? Here's where it gets interesting. AI doesn't just know what you've watched. It also looks at things like the time of day you're watching, how long you spend browsing, and even the device you're using. If I'm being honest, maybe this is a bit like stalking? That's right. Your TV, phone, or tablet might be influencing what shows get pushed to the top of your list. Ever notice how you get different recommendations on your phone compared to when you're watching on your TV? That's no accident. Netflix and YouTube are like, oh, they're on their phone. Better hit them with some short-form content. Or they're on the big screen. Time to roll out those 90-minute documentaries about obscure Antarctic explorers. But it's not just Netflix and YouTube. Think about Spotify. Its recommendation engine is like your personal DJ, except with less talking and more playlists. Spotify's AI looks at everything from what genres you listen to when you skip a song, to how often you play a particular track. It's like, oh, you've been listening to 80s pop on repeat for 3 days? Let me slide in a little synthwave to keep things fresh or, subtly judging your music choices. No big deal. Here's the kicker. While these algorithms are great at giving you what you want, they can also keep you in a bubble. Like that one time you watched a single crime documentary, and now Netflix thinks you're obsessed with solving cold cases? Yeah, that movie. Of course, AI might just secretly know your desire to become Sherlock Holmes. This is called the echo chamber effect. When AI keeps giving you more of what you already like, it can stop you from discovering new things. And let's be honest, variety is the spice of life, right? Who knows, you might have loved that documentary on underwater basket weaving, but you'll never find out because Netflix has you trapped in a true crime spiral. So, while AI is fantastic at predicting our tastes, sometimes it's a little too good. The challenge for platforms now is figuring out how to introduce more variety into your recommendations without completely throwing off the algorithm and making you think they've forgotten who you are. Alright, so what's next? Well, AI is only going to get better at this. We're talking about hyper-personalization. Imagine Netflix not only knowing what you want to watch, but tailoring the trailers and even the cover art specifically for you. Oh wait, they already do that. Yep, those images you see when you scroll through Netflix, they're chosen based on your previous viewing habits. If you love action, you're more likely to see a movie poster with explosions. If you're into rom-coms, maybe the same movie will show up with the main characters gazing lovingly into each other's eyes. AI is out here curating the whole experience. Are you creeped out yet? But it's not just visual changes. AI could eventually tailor entire storylines to your preferences. We've already seen interactive shows like Bandersnatch and Minecraft Story Mode where you choose your own adventure. In the future, we might have shows that evolve based on what you like or dislike, creating a completely unique experience. One minute, you're watching a romantic drama, and then it subtly morphs into a sci-fi thriller because the algorithm picked up on your recent alien movie binge. It's like the ultimate form of entertainment customization. Or, the start of a sci-fi dystopia. I know, I've unloaded a lot. Now, with all this talk of AI shaping our entertainment, The question becomes, should we be worried? I mean, is there such a thing as too much personalization? And are we at risk of losing out on that human element in entertainment? The answer depends on who you ask. Some people think AI-driven entertainment is the future, helping us discover more content we love without having to dig for it. Others worry that we're becoming too reliant on algorithms, and that could eventually limit our creativity. Or worse, control what we consume without us even realizing it. So what do you think? Is AI making our entertainment better, or is it taking over? Either way, it's clear that AI isn't going anywhere anytime soon. Whether it's choosing what you binge watch next or curating the perfect playlist, AI is here to stay, shaping the future of entertainment one recommendation at a time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the tech that's running our world, and occasionally deciding what we watch on Saturday nights.